So now they start going this way. So start down there.
Try the biscuit up.
All right, well, we got a one down 19. Lenny is down. Look at Beep Beep at 21. Beep Beep is in the lead. We got the fun. The fun is there. Look at Shane. We got Beep Beep. We got 4. Look at Lucy and OC for second. OC Let's hear it for a racer. Look at Thorgo. Art Sparkle. Of its Beep Beep to 21. You know, Gaskins pickled okra, baby. Gaskins coming a little bit.
What?
Pickled okra.
Pickled okra, gross.
Yeah.
I walk down this way?
Yeah, but I want to look at both sides. So we want to go up and back down.
Okay.
I don't like that green.
Huh?
I don't like that green and brown.
Yeah. Thank you. You might sell out. I hope so.
You like the black better than the green?
Yeah, we got we brought all we could. All we could put in our van.
I'm trying to think if that
See anything?
cheaper than the other ones, but
So you do black walnut, maple stuff. That's the last one I got.
I saw this dude, he had his mustache. And I'm like, whoop.
worm magnet.
Huh?
Worm magnet.
Do you want a whirly worm? I mean, if you think you want one, it's only $5.
Oh, you could get them a little magnet.
Yeah, but that. Yeah. Sell them on Good, how yourself? All right, bud. To the 125.
He hates the worm that much. He hates me that much.
Nice. I'm ready to take my jacket off.
Oh, then it's getting warm.
What time is it? Should we try to get something to eat? That was lunch.
That's a good word.
Pullover hoodies are 40 and the zip-up hoodies are 45.
Thank you. I don't know.
Every stop. Last time we were
and your jacket.
Thank you. Have a good day. I remember this
Are you getting videos of everything or just the people?
No, I'm trying to walk in all the places and, you know what I mean? I'm gonna edit it, especially
Little,
when you're standing
what do
in
you call
front of
them
me.
things?
Huh?
What do you call them? Slingshot.
Yeah.
Had a brain fart there for a minute.
You gotta figure it out.
I'm trying to get videos of everything,
Yeah, I don't even need my jacket.
except for places like that. There's nothing in there. I am. You didn't hear what I said?
I go photograph myself.
He's getting it. That means the worm won't break.
Just trying to stay out of everybody's way too.
That's hard to do.
Huh?
So that's hard to do.
How you doing today?
I'm good. How are you?
Good.
How much are your plain old wallets?
Okay, the without, like that one right there has no hidden pockets. Those are 90. But if you look at the one next to it, that has hidden pockets. Those are 120.
Okay.
Good leather's about 15 a square foot, and there's about 2 foot of leather right there, plus about 6 hours of maintenance.
Come on up, come on up.
Go! This building.
Laser fire, she said.
Yeah, I haven't heard this of it. Thank you.
Maybe I should be wearing the camera.